Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our KKTICK Tank A6, and on this video we are going to show you the process on how to connect it with our iPhone. Still, it is using the Wear Joy application, and we'll show you the setup process on iOS platform. Let's see if this Tank A6 works with our iPhone. So if you are interested to see the setup process, the steps on how to connect it with iPhone, watch this video. And again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and connect our Tank T6 with iPhone. This smartwatch is using the Wear Joy application. So we have here the QR code. So remember the logo here. The name is Wear Joy. We are going to search it. Okay, we'll not scan a QR code, but instead we'll search it directly here on the App Store. So just look for the app Wear Joy. And do we have the same logo here? Yes, we have it here. Health and fitness. Okay, let's double check. So this is the app for our Tank T6. Next, tap on Get to download and install the support app for our Tank T6. So let's wait for the completion of download. It will automatically install it in our iPhone. And now that the installation is complete, let's open the application. So let's ready our smartwatch here. Okay, English. Then select open. Tap on open. Then agree to the privacy policy. Okay, let's activate our Bluetooth here. Allow the notification permission. And it is asking to register. Okay, you can use your email. You can use your Google account or an Apple account. Or we can use the guest mode. Select guest mode. I have read, then guest mode. It's loading. And we have here our unit settings. Just tap on next. You can set your profile if you like. And save. Then let's wait. Okay, save successfully. We have here on the bottom part device. Tap on it. Then after that, scan to add or search. We'll have the usual way or the classic way in pairing the smartwatch. It's now scanning. And as you can see here, we have our T6. Select connect to pair it with our smartwatch. App is connected. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a permission to access our location. So we'll just allow this while using the application. Then pair. So paired successfully. Tap on finish. Then after setting all the permissions, we are now connected. Next, let's check. We have the SMS here. Let's activate. Remember, we already allowed the permission. We have app notifications. Okay. We'll disable some of the apps here that we are not going to use. Go back. I'm looking for the contacts here. We have call records, till to wake. Then go to my profiles, unit settings. We have an Apple Health synchronization here. Call records, we do have the live camera, we have the frequent contacts. Let's try to add our contacts here. If this works, we are properly connected, including our Bluetooth call. And as you can see, we have some synchronization. Let's double check. We have contacts and we have it here. So everything is set for our Wear Joy application and of course our KK Think Tank T6. We are now connected on our iPhone. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup process of our Tank T6, especially on iPhone, drop a comment below and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.